Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a beautiful 1965 Ford Mustang Fastback. I apologize, I'm kind of moving fast. It's sprinkling already. The rain's in the area. And of course, I'm leaving for a show in the morning to try to go get some more cars. So we're going to try to give you a quick look at this car, get through the video before the rain lets go. But great car, North Carolina car. It's got 712 miles on the drivetrain. It is a recent body up restoration. The gentleman we bought it from, he did the drivetrain, the body, the paint, the interior was already done when he bought the car. Again, apologize about the droplets, guys. There's not much we can do. Of course, it's a Shelby tribute. It's a little check in the paint right there. It's a Shelby tribute. Great car. It's got a healthy 289 small block in it, automatic. Little wear there in the bumper. Pretty car. It's got a great look to it. Runs out excellent. Good, solid, straight North Carolina body. Sorry about the drops, guys. Good looking car, man. Of course, these Fastbacks are highly sought after. Everybody wants them. Got to be honest with you, most of them that we sell actually go overseas. Very popular overseas. You can see the fold down rear seat. It's got the white Shelby striping. Car's nice and straight down the sides. Got a set of 17-inch custom wheels on it. Disc brakes, power steering. Again, the gentleman we bought the car from, I guess he owns like a 30-bay garage, and he's the one who did the drivetrain in the car. It's got the GT350 striping along the bottom. Converted it to front disc brakes. Great color combo. Again, it's got a healthy 289, guys. Edelbrock 4-barrel, aluminum intake, ceramic headers, power steering, power front disc brakes. It is a automatic trans. We might get lucky and get this thing in, man. I've just posted a bunch of stuff to the site, guys, kind of 1 or 2 pictures. If you need more info or information, don't hesitate. Call my guys. They'll get you more photos or whatever you need. Glass is in good shape. 8-pillar chrome, that looks great. New mirrors, new door handles. Here's your door tag. It's got the black vinyl interior. It's bucket seats. It's got the standard floor shift. That's a removable console if you don't like it. Again, fold down rear seat. It's got the Shelby looking wood wheel. This is an MP Performance gauge cluster. You can see 712 miles on it. It's got an aftermarket AM/FM radio, Flowmaster dual exhaust. It's a stock rear end. Here, Jay, did you happen to? Yeah, he said it's probably like a 323 somewhere in there. Definitely something you can get on the expressway and drive. It's all spackle coated in the trunk. You see a couple of new cars just arrived today in the background. Again, new flows. Good car, man. Car really drives out good. It's got good power. Got good sound. don't like this, it comes right out. It's removable. But it's nice. I mean, it is. And it's cup holders. I mean, kind of like modern day. Again, you can see those door handles are new. There's got a good look to it, man. Dash lights are all working. Tack works. Looks like all your gauges are functional. Nice little cam to it. Radio works, blower motor.
Yep.
Blower motor does work, guys. May need those in a second. I think we're gonna get lucky and get this thing in, man. Yeah, and make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook page or our brand new Instagram page. Or as always, feel free to pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Got lucky, man. Got this thing in. Car sits good. Those fastbacks are just sweet, man. They got a great look to them. Have a great day, guys.